Hey guys, welcome back to another editing tutorial. It's been a long while. Today, I'm going to show you how to create this cool electric glow scan effect. By the way, if you're not familiar with the basics of DaVinci Resolve, make sure to check out this video first. Also, you'll need the Universe plugin to create this effect. Check the description for more details. Alright, let's get started. So here's the original clip. The first thing we want to do is find the moment of the kill. You can use the arrow keys to move forward one frame at a time. Try to stop at the frame where the kill feed appears. Now add a marker here. Do the same for the other kills as well. Next, go to the Toolbox tab and search for Adjustment Clip. Drag it onto the timeline. Right-click on the clip, choose Change Clip Duration, and set it to 1 second. Place the adjustment clip right next to the kill marker, like this. Now go to the Open FX tab, search for uni.electrify, and apply it to the adjustment clip. As you can see, we're already halfway done. Pretty easy, right? Now let's tweak the details of the effect. Move the playhead to the middle of the adjustment clip. Go to the Effects tab in the inspector. Adjust the evolution offset until the effect reaches its brightest point. The effect should end just before the kill. If it doesn't, try lowering the evolution offset a bit. Great. Next, set the blend mode to add. Threshold controls how much of the electronic detail shows up. If the scene is darker, you'll want to set the threshold lower. Otherwise, set it higher. You can pick whatever color you like. Next is distortion. Lower values will give you a glowing line effect, while higher values will make it look more electric. Set it to whatever looks best to you. Now let's bring up the brightness a little bit. Also, increase the glow intensity slightly. And that's it. The effect is done. Now let's move on to the second effect. It's very similar to the first one, so it's a great chance to practice doing it on your own. First, add an adjustment clip and set the duration to 1 second. Align the clip properly. Then add the uni.electrify effect. The difference here is that we set the distortion to 0 and increase the glow radius to 100, and that's pretty much it. Finally, let's add a flash effect to make everything look even better. Add an adjustment clip and set the duration to 30 frames, or 15 frames if you're working in 30 FPS. Place the adjustment clip right here, then add a glow effect to it. Go to the Effects tab, set the shine threshold to 0, and add a fade out like this. And now you've got the flash effect. Pretty cool, right? You can also change the flash color to better match the glow scan effect. Congratulations! Now you've learned how to create this cool looking effect. Before you go, make sure to leave a like if this tutorial helped you. I'm also planning more tutorials like this, so don't forget to subscribe to the channel and let me know in the comments what kind of tutorial you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching.